Alright everyone, today I'm making one of my favorite recipes ever, Hungarian mushroom soup. This is by far my favorite recipe. I made it several times before. I even did it on my cooking streams when I used to do streams on Twitch. It's such a good soup, so easy to make. It takes about an hour to make and most of that's just waiting for the stuff to cook. So, without much further ado. First, you'll be starting off by putting 4 tablespoons of butter into the pot and slowly let it melt down. After that, we got the butter all melted down. I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 diced up onion. Hopefully I don't knock over my stuff like this. I'm using my hands, it's probably a lot easier using my hand to scrape it in. Now, a lot of this recipe, I'm going to be telling you what the standard for a first serving would be, but I'm just going to be kind of eyeballing it because a lot of this, I make the soup a lot, and I make it for more people and like to have it a certain way. So I'll be putting the ingredients on the screen as I'm adding them, but I'll be kind of putting in usually more than what I'm saying. Alright, and then after about 5 minutes the onions will become a little translucent. And you can start adding in chopped up mushrooms. I'd say about a good standard for the mushrooms would be about 6 cups. I just cut up a bunch of them because it's like really the only filling thing in the soup. And you can use any kind of mushrooms you want. These ones are really good for this soup. I've also tried out for the fun of it, I threw in some shiitake mushrooms and some portobellos and stuff like that. And it still tastes really good and just gives a different kind of flavor to it. So you're going to go ahead and mix these up in there with the onions. And then you're going to let it cook for another 5 minutes before you go to the next. Mushrooms have cooked for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So you're going to be adding about a teaspoon of dill. So you're putting in about a tablespoon of paprika. I'm putting a little bit more in there. I love myself some paprika. You're going to add excuse me, about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And mix that, let that cook for a couple minutes just to get the flavors in there. Mix it all up, spread the love. A minute or two, go ahead and put in about 2 cups of chicken broth. Alright, mix it all up. What you're going to do is you're going to cover this and heat it for 15 minutes. After it's been simmering for about 15 minutes, you're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You could also use milk, like a cup of milk mixed with like 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix it together in a separate bowl and then pour it in. I just don't like doing that too much because sometimes it causes clumping. And then you're going to put the lid back on and cook it and simmer it for another 15 minutes. Just let me mix this up first. There's a nice creaminess, a nice color too. I had to change the angle because I was getting too much steam on the lens, but after it cooked for another 15 minutes, go ahead and add half a cup of sour cream. Gonna add, about 1/4 a cup of parsley. And add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And then salt and pepper. Salt and pepper is more for how you like it, so no measurement for that, just to taste. You go ahead and mix that up, and then it's ready to. Here's the finished product. put an extra dollop of sour cream in it for serving. You got some nice, yummy soup. It looks really good and tastes amazing. It's by far my favorite soup I've ever made. Definitely have it. A really simple recipe, and it's so good. It might not look like much. I mean, I like the colors and everything. The taste is fantastic. You will love it. Definitely give it a try. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried it out and how it turned out. Anyway, if you like what you saw here and you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit the little like button down below and a little bell so you know when I add more content. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you around.